And not to throw anyone under the bus, but Robert, I'm going to make you my example since you were our example in the class. I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Robert in the group, they had asked for feedback on a few different clients and their accounts. And so for Robert, I said, here's the problem. He's not alone, my friends, because I still see this on several different accounts, whether it's loan officers or real estate agents. And when people land on your feed, remember, they could be given your name. And so they go to look you up, they land on your feed, they scroll for a couple feet. And if I were to do that on here, I can tell the reels because of this video icon, the reels, as I scroll, what is going to cause me to stop my scroll and click to learn more about the video? Because as you can see, they all kind of look the same and we see his head front and center, but there's no hook, or it appears there's no hook. When in reality, what's happened is he's recorded the reel on his phone where he's done it in vertical mode, which is correct. But remember, there's a safe zone that you have to pay attention to because on your actual feed, whenever it's posted, it posts as a 1 by 1 square. So see how on his actual news feed, see this square? So the hook, it's actually there, but it's cut off whenever he posted it.